Hi, my name is Georgie and I am the Student Enterprise and Startup Manager. I'm going to talk you through what this pathway is all about. So there are 2 stages of activity that will support you in developing your idea and taking it through from concept to a complete business plan and launching your business. Your entrepreneurial journey will equip you with the knowledge you will need to start and run your business. And it will also help you develop key skills such as researching, networking and pitching. Please note that you need to complete each stage to move on to the next. For stage 1, Curious Explorer, we will guide you through the essential information you need to develop a successful business. This information includes researching your market to gain a good understanding of your target market and customers, developing your concept canvas, where we will prompt you to consider different questions in order to flesh out your idea, and how to register your interest for our Startup Awards, which is sponsored by Santander, and you can win money to help finance your business idea. Stage 2, the Go-Getter stage, will give you access to one-to-one mentor meetings with a business advisor. We advise that you use these meetings to work on your business plan and to gain confidence to make the final independent step towards being a business owner. In addition, you will have the opportunity to work on the following information: a draft business plan, which will be compulsory, and a range of optional templates to help you create the business plan. Now, completing these will ensure you give your business the best chance of success, and it will also prove to yourself that you have the dedication to work on your business idea. Reflect and learn. Ever tried? Ever failed? No matter. Try again. Fail again. Fail better. Samuel Beckett. Reflecting on your learning is a critical skill, and especially so when you are founding your own business. So use this opportunity to reflect on your experience up to this point and consider what skills you have developed and what lessons you have learned. Some of you may go on from here to start your own business, the idea that you have been developing, while others will use this experience to learn more about their life and develop essential graduate attributes that will be useful in whatever your future holds. Whichever journey you embark on next, reflection is still key to grow yourself and your business. This section of the pathway will provide you with a tool to reflect and learn. From all of Student Futures, we want to wish you luck in growing your business, and we look forward to working with you to bring your ideas to life.